All right, today we have a 2011 Cadillac Escalade 6.2 liter, and we're working on the Serpentine belt. I noticed a squeaking sound. Excuse me. I noticed a squeaking sound in the engine, and I narrowed everything down to the belt. But since I have the belt, I'm gonna go ahead and address these two: the tension puller and the idle control arm. First thing you want to do is we're gonna take out this belt, and you want to use a 15 millimeter. And you want to go lefty loosey, and loosen up that belt. And then it should slide right off. All right, and you have your belt. There you go. And you have your belt. Next, we're gonna attack these two bolts right here. You got one right here, one right up underneath here, and we're gonna take those two bolts off and take this whole assembly off. All right, I got it off here. As you can see it, this is the tensioner. That's the part that lets you release the belt, and it came from right there. See those two little loops? Now we're about to go take this. I call it a dummy wheel, but we're about to take that off. All right, we have the dummy wheel off. It came from right there, and this doesn't serve any purpose other than something else for the belt to spin on, but we got that off. And now that we got this off, the dummy wheel, the tensioner, as well as the belt, we're ready to put everything back together. But this is what it looks like when you get everything taken off. Also, if you got anything else that you probably want to do any maintenance on while you got all of this open, you probably want to plan for it. But this is the only thing that I wanted to get in here for. So, yeah, we're about to go ahead and start the process to putting it back together. All right. Now, the cool thing about this is you got a Serpentine belt kit that you can buy that replaces all three of these things. We actually got this from AutoZone, so shout out for AutoZone. I'm sure all the rest of the parts store, but I got this from AutoZone. What it is once you replace your belt, it's just good maintenance to go ahead and replace all three of these at the same time. And look here, they go ahead and have it all here in one place for you. So now what you want to do is you want to measure your belt to your old belt, but make sure it's on the same length and same distance or whatever. And it also gives you a diagram right here. Now, don't rely on these diagrams. These are cool to have, but always draw a map out for yourself. Take a picture before you take the belt off. It'll save you a lot of time. If you do run into that type of issue, go ahead and Google it. And Google it most of the time will help you out and get you in the right place. But yeah, we got shiny new parts, and we're about to put all these back on. Hey guys, this is the point of the video where I'm gonna ask you guys, look, we're doing a lot of good work on this channel. If you could, tell a couple of friends, send them over this way. But if you can't do that, just hit the like button and subscribe. All right, I got everything back on there. The dummy wheel, the tensioner, and the belt. Hopefully this video helped you out. It's not that hard of a job. It's pretty much easy. I actually, just to go back, I took this off first, as well as the engine cover, and that gave me enough room to work with. But thank you guys for checking in. This is Bumper. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like what you hear.